is it your first trick-or-treating? Are you going to go say, trick-or-treat?
Uncle Jesse and Leah's house.
Trick-or-treat. Henry, who is that?
Is that a lion?
Okay, go back to Nancy.
You don't want a trick-or-treat?
Come say hi to Leah.
Henry, what are you doing?
Henry, let's go get some candy. Come on.
It's yummy.
Henry. Henry, come say trick-or-treat.
Hi.
Who is that? Is that Ia? You don't want a trick-or-treat. Come on.
It's actually been awesome.
Do you want some
Okay.
candy?
You guys say trick-or-treat.
Trick or treat.
I look like an idiot.
Hi, pumpkin.
No trick-or-treating.